welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another what I eat in a day video. If you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I'm a registered dietitian and I make lots of videos here on my channel about nutrition, obviously, wellness, lifestyle, some motherhood. And in my what I eat in a day videos, I pretty much just bring my camera around with me for the day and show you guys everything that I'm eating. So as a dietitian, I'm obviously very passionate about nutrition and healthy eating and eating to feel good and all of that. But if you're new to my channel, I'm also extremely passionate about intuitive eating. I don't follow any specific kind of diet. I don't cut anything out. There's nothing from my diet that I need to cut out, so I don't. So I just kind of eat whatever I want, however much I want, what I'm craving, and I really go off of my body's cues and just kind of what my body is telling me. I have lots of videos here on my channel all about intuitive eating because I'm super passionate about it. But if you guys want to see what a typical day of eating looks like, we will get right into it. I am actually postpartum right now. I have about a almost 5-month-old baby girl, so I am nursing. So that kind of gives you a little bit of a background. But if you guys want to see everything that I'm eating today, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm about to make breakfast. I've got some oats here, which is pretty classic. So you guys know I love oatmeal, but I feel like my typical oatmeal just wasn't cutting it recently. I don't know, it just wasn't keeping me full as long, and I don't know, maybe it was just like too carb heavy. I feel like I was maybe a little sluggish in the morning after eating it. So I've been trying to do more like loaded oats, where basically I really try and focus on like beefing up the protein, fat, and fiber in my oats, so that way, A, they're more filling, but also any of the carbs in here will digest more slowly, so it will be a little more favorable for blood sugar and not give me like a crazy spike. I've done a whole video on blood sugar if you guys want to check that out. It's really important to like kind of keep an eye on it. But anyway, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to add. So this is just like plain cooked oats right now. And then I add a little bit of protein powder. I really like this vanilla spice one. It's kind of like cinnamony. It's really good. And so I add the protein powder and then I mix it with a little bit of this coconut almond milk, just to like make it really like creamy and get all the protein powder mixed in. And then I top it with some, this is just like organic coconut flakes, some of those. I do some wolfberries. These are basically like dried goji berries. They're so good. You guys know I love raisins on oatmeal, and this is just kind of like an upgrade, just a lot more antioxidants, so I've been doing those instead of raisins recently, and they're really tasty. And then I also do some almond butter and then sprinkle chia seeds on top. So kind of adding all of this stuff, especially like these 4 things right here, really increases the protein and fat, and then also fiber as well. So just makes it a lot more filling, and I will show you guys when it's all put together. Okay, so here is the final product. I'm about to dig in. It's so good, super filling, and has like a lot of just like different flavors and textures going on. So I've been loving this for breakfast. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been a couple hours and here is my lunch. Recently I've been doing a lot of just kind of like snacky lunch plates because that's easy and I don't have to like really put a lot of thought into it, and it's filling and also just good. So this is what I've got going today. So I have a little bit of like caprese kind of salad over here. This is arugula, obviously mozzarella, tomato, and then this is like a balsamic glaze. It's this stuff. I just recently got a lot of stuff from Trader Joe's, so I really like that. And then, oh, don't mind Hayden. And then I just have avocado toast. This is the multigrain sourdough bread. I really like this bread from Trader Joe's. And then I just have the everything but the bagel seasoning on there, obviously, because it's so good on avocado toast. And then kind of random but so good, I just have a few slices of prosciutto. This is just what it is, again, Trader Joe's, and it's just a little extra protein and it's really salty and delicious and I just like it. So that is what I'm having for lunch. Okay guys, it's a little bit later and I'm about to make a smoothie for myself. I've been doing a lot of smoothies recently because it's just a good way to get in like lots of fruits and veggies, and then also I can drink it one-handed, which is really helpful with Hayden. So I've been actually eating these. These are from, it's called Smoothie Box, and they're like pre-made, like all cut up stuff to make smoothies, and you just add liquid, which is really cool. And then it also comes with grass-fed collagen peptides, which is awesome. So it's from the same company that does ButcherBox, which I also am a big fan of. So this is the clementine one, and this is what I'm gonna make. It's super easy because it's already done for me which I like. And this one has all kinds of good stuff in here. And I like that it's usually like a mix of fruit and veggies, which when I make smoothies myself, I don't really do that. I just do fruit. So that's what I really like about these. So I'm gonna throw everything in my blender. And then for liquid, I love some good old fashioned apple juice in my smoothies, but I actually like to do like half apple juice, half filtered water, because if it's straight apple juice, that's just a lot of sugar, and then it also just tastes way too sweet for me. So that's why I like to do like half and half. Okay, so here's the final product. It has like oranges and carrots, sweet potato, pumpkin seeds, like lemon. It's got a lot of stuff in here. And it tastes so good. It's not overly sweet. And then I'm just gonna put this like lid on. And I actually got this like awesome insulated mug along with it, which I never put smoothies. I would always just drink them in like glasses. And this is a freaking game changer, because if you don't drink it all in like 5 minutes, it stays like icy and frozen and really cold for a while. I don't know why I never thought to do that, but it's really genius. And I actually have a link for you guys. So if you want, you can get, I think it's $10 off, and then you can get one of these like mugs with your smoothie box if you sign up. I'll put the link down below. But they're really good. I really like them. Okay, I'm about to get started making dinner in just a few minutes, but I just want to show you guys that I'm snacking on some hummus. This is actually hummus that I made. Making your own hummus is actually so easy, and the ingredients are all like really easy to keep on hand. So if you ever wanted to try making your own, and obviously it doesn't have like any additives that some of the store-bought ones have. Not all of them do, but I just really like homemade. I think it tastes good, so I've made that recently. And also there's like tons of recipes on Pinterest if you want to try and make it yourself. And then I just have some cucumber slices that I'm dipping in here just to kind of tie me over before dinner. All right guys, so it's almost dinner time and we're gonna be grilling. So in here I've got, this is chicken. It's like one giant chicken breast in like a barbecue sauce. I'll show you that in a second. It's also from Trader Joe's. Can you tell I've been shopping at Trader Joe's a lot? So that's marinating. And then in here I've got a ton of just cut up veggies. It's zucchini, and then I don't know if you can see under there, but there's also eggplants. We have a ton of those. So we're gonna have grilled chicken and veggies. We're gonna get those on now. Okay, so here's my dinner. I've got half of that barbecue chicken breast. I'll show you that sauce in a second. Eggplant and zucchini. It smells so good. And this is the sauce. Like I said, it's from Trader Joe's. It's a Carolina Gold, and it's good. It's kind of sweet, but we've really been liking it. It's really good on salmon too. But yeah, so there's my dinner. Hey guys, so we just finished dinner a little while ago, and I'm pretty much gonna call it a night, but I am gonna have a couple of these. These are like leftover Easter candy. If you've never had, I'm pretty sure this is like a semi-local company to me, Gertrude Hawk. I could be wrong, but they have these thing called smidgens, and they're so good. So I just want a little something sweet, so I'm gonna have a couple of those. But that's it. That's it for this What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hopefully you got a little meal inspiration or snack inspiration. I know you guys love these videos, so I love when I can get a new one up for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.